Hi, my name's Andrea. Welcome to FabLab Fundamentals. Today, I'm going to show you how to measure resistance using a Keysight digital multimeter. So let's get started. First, I'm going to turn on my multimeter by pressing this button. Then I'm going to wait for it to load. In this video, we're going to be measuring the resistance across a single resistor and also measuring the resistance when two resistors are connected in series and in parallel. So yeah, we'll just wait for it to load. And then when you turn it on, the default is usually going to be the DC voltage. So you want to make sure you change that to resistance here. So press this, and you can see that resistance is selected and it's in ohms. So now that that is set, I can connect my probes. First, I connect the red probe, the positive, to the here input. You see that there's a resistance, there's an ohm, so it's resistance, and then connect the black one over here, just like that. So then I have my resistors here, and then you can either measure the resistance just like this, you can see it's 3.258. So I'm gonna write that 3.258 here, kilo ohms, which, because these are the resistors that I'm going to be using in my circuit, so this is going to be resistor 1. And then for resistor 2, I can either put it the same way, or I'm just going to put it here so it's a little bit more stable. Make sure you don't put it... so you want to make sure that when you're measuring the resistance across a resistor, it's not connected to the circuit, so you want to make sure that you take out the resistor from your circuit. And you can see it's 0.994, so basically just one kilo ohm. And now if I connect these in parallel, just like this, so I will connect this here. So this is resistor 1, and this will be resistor 2. So this is shown here. This is my resistor 1, resistor 2. So to measure the parallel resistance, like the total resistance in parallel from here, I want to connect my multimeter here and here, like that. And then I can also calculate the total resistance. So if I just use the simple equation from basic circuits, I know that the total resistance is going to be 0.765 kilo ohms. So let's test that using the multimeter. So if I probe it here, just as shown in the picture, I can see that it matches my calculated total resistance to 0.762, which is what we got here. Now, if I want to get the resistance in series, just as here, I will put my resistor 1 series to resistor 2, and just to measure the total resistance that I'm expecting, so I do R total equals R1, R2. My R1 is 3.258 and R2 is 1K, so I will expect a 4.258 kilo ohm. Yeah. So then I will put this in the breadboard here. This is resistor 1, and then in series we'll be connecting here resistor 2, just like that. So you see resistor 1 and resistor 2. And then I will probe it here, just like this. And I get a 4.253, which is what I calculated. So just making sure the multimeter will be connecting here, and it will be connecting here, just like that. So yeah, that is how you use the digital multimeter. So make sure that if you have any questions, you can ask a FabLab monitor. And if you need any components, please make sure you let us know. Thank you.